Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. Today we are going to see a very easy and delicious dessert recipe which is strawberry cream. So let's have a look at the recipe. Firstly, add 1 cup of chilled whipping cream to a bowl which is refrigerated for about an hour and then start beating the cream. Once the bubbles are formed in the cream, add 2 teaspoons of sugar to it and again start beating the cream. While beating the cream, you have to gradually increase the speed of the beater. You can see the cream has started thickening. At this stage, soft peaks are formed in the cream. Now scrape the bowl and again beat the cream for about 20 seconds. The cream is nicely whipped and it is ready to use. Now it's time to assemble the dessert. In a serving glass, add a few chopped strawberries. Then add a layer of whipped cream to it. Again add a layer of chopped strawberries and then whipped cream. You have to give alternate layers of strawberries and whipped cream. Once the layering of strawberries and whipped cream is done, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can use strawberry ice cream as well. Then add few chopped strawberries over it and place a strawberry at the center. Here I have added few drops of pink food color for garnishing and the strawberry cream is ready. Enjoy this delicious strawberry cream dessert with your loved ones this Valentine. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.